Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to deploy metadata in Salesforce using Workbench. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now, first you will need just to go to your workbench.developerforce.com and then you will need to agree to the term of service and you will need just to log in to your account or Salesforce account. After that, you will be able to see this menu or this user interface, and from there you will need to go to migration. For me, I have a problem using the API of Salesforce, so basically you will not probably have this problem. So here you will find the migration. And basically in the migration menu or choices, we would find deploy. And basically we click on deploy and then you will choose your metadata that you want to deploy. So it will be something similar to this. You choose the zip file where you have your components. Then you choose what you have, like these criterias, if you have only a single package, or if you have some rollback on error, or to choose to ignore the warnings. Also, you can proceed with testing your package, etc. if you have some test cases. Then you will need just to click on next, and then it will become like this after choosing your file or uploading your file, and then you click on next, and you will have your metadata that has been deployed successfully into your workbench. And then you can find the process status, and basically you will find all the informations concerning your metadata if you have encountered some errors, as you can see, number components errors, etc. And then you have it deployed successfully. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.